Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmak Live. I'm Kanchan Parma, and today we are discussing in this episode that how people are finding positivity and connection during this pandemic. We'll be discussing with our guest today that what is her mantra of positivity. But before that, I would like to remind you there's a free gift available only for you. So stick around to this episode till the end. We will guide you how to avail your free gift. Welcome to the show, friends. And today we are discussing about the positivity and connection in this pandemic. So we have a guest today, Ms. Ritu Gupta, and I will be inviting her and asking her what her call for positivity and connection. Welcome to the show, Ritu. How are you doing today?
Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you for inviting me to the show. And I'm doing absolutely fine and trying to stay fit and positive all the time.
Yes, during this pandemic, there's one thing which is very good, which is happening every day, that we are connecting to people and we are becoming more concerned and compassionate about the situation. See, I've seen policemen, they have come out and they are helping health workers. And I've seen Chiranjeevi, who has also established oxygen bank for the people. So I would like to ask you, what do you do for positivity and connection?
Kanchan, I think it's very important, and I really appreciate what the people they are doing for spreading positivity and helping each other out, even in these bad times. So it gives me motivation, and I try to talk to people because I cannot step out of the house right now. So I find that I've been being in the house. I can help people out. I talk to them, and it is very important to talk to people because in these times when most of the people they are in isolation, they are going through some kind of depression, some kind of problem in their minds. So it is always good to resolve that issue which they have in their mind, because tomorrow, someday, they have to step out of the house, they have to go out. And if someone is healthy from the mind, it's very important that they stay healthy otherwise also. And yes, I try to get connected to various NGOs who are distributing food, who are looking after people who need consultation. And yes, something which I really want to mention here is that we are running a campaign which is called Namaste Doctor. In this campaign, we get people connected, people who are not so rich, people who cannot really afford to go to the doctors. We get them connected with one Indian doctor based in US. So this is being done with the help of my friend who is based in America. He's a businessman. So we each day we get one doctor from US, an Indian origin doctor based in US, and that doctor gives free consultation for 1.5 hours. And every day I think we are getting 30 to 60 people every day, and this consultation is done through Zoom. So it's been 30 days already now, and the whole campaign is known as Namaste Doctor.
Yeah, it's a great initiative because what I feel is that there are some fake news also, and we have to escape from these fake news. But when we talk about positivity, I think there are many people, many actors who have come out, like Sonu Sood, who are distributing food, people who are even in neighborhood also, people are helping out and giving information to the people that what you should do, what you should not do. So that is something very good which is happening in pandemic. And I will start from my home, that we have children at home, and the connectivity and the positivity we can provide to the children. Earlier, when there was finer times were there, the children used to go to school, and now children at home. So I think how to really create this positivity and connection with the kids, what all parents should do?
First of all, parents should remain positive themselves, because it's very important to remain positive yourself. Then only you can, pass on positivity to the younger lots in the house, the kids, because they definitely they notice the parents, they notice the elders how they behave, and psychologically it goes to them also. And somewhere adjustment is very important. That parents also do make some kind of adjustment, because you cannot have very strict norms with your kids because they have to remain in the house. So you need to schedule a timetable for them, and the timetable should be such that it attracts it is the kids get attracted also, and they should be teamwork. Involve your kids more in your household chores, tell them stories, talk to them more, and you can play games, board games. By being with them, you can tell them the stories and motivate them about helping each other out. So this is how I think one should maintain relationship with kids, younger kids in the house.
Yes, actually, when we talk about positivity and connection, the community service was always there in Indian society from very, very antiquity.
Absolutely.
But the thing is that now people are more inclined to a community service, and people are more inclined to help each other. I think this is one, at least I can talk, one change which has been occurred in last 1.5 year. So what is your take when we talk about positivity? How else we can help people by doing a community service?
See, we can. Personally, I feel that we should get associated with people who are actually doing something in the community, helping people out in the community. And also, we have our maids. We are not calling them at home right now, but we have many people, our support staff, that we can help them, and through them, we can help other people also. And it is by, helping them out monetarily, giving them food, providing them medicines, letting them know the right doctors. So these are the things we can do. And also their kids who are going to school, at times they do not have internet connection, so you can provide them your Wi-Fi services, and the kid can study and do the homework. I personally feel it's very important for every child to study, and it is their right to study also. So we should help them out. We should become the way that these young kids tomorrow, who are the future of the country, they do not get any hassle, any obstacle in studying also. So definitely we can share a Wi-Fi for them to study, do their homeworks, their assignments. This is what I feel.
Well, great. It is so wonderful to really talk to you and know the ideas. And of course, people are really working towards remain connected and be positive in whatever way they do. But I would like to ask you, what is one thing which you do to remain positive all day?
Kanchan, I read lots of books, and I also, now one thing which I see lots of videos and other things where I see how people, they try to remain positive. Now here I really want to give example of your son, that I feel very nice that a small kid is showing something. He has skills that he's a child chef, and he makes things and then he displays them and exhibits them on his YouTube channel. Now this is one thing which is being positive. It makes the child happy, and also in the process it makes the other family members happy also. So I see lots of videos by younger kids, by kids going to the college, and slightly elder professionals also, and I have learned to appreciate various things. And I think we all need to inculcate in ourselves the value of appreciation. Appreciate others, tell them, motivate them. It really makes you stay happy and positive all the time in these hard times.
Well, the new thing which has come up is like people are waiting for their vaccination. One part of the vaccination is done and they are still waiting. And I have noticed that in the family and in the neighborhood, there's a lot of anxiety towards this. So do you want to give any advice to these people and maybe ask them to really wait and hope for the best?
Yes, I will really tell them, please get yourself vaccinated. It is important to get vaccinated, get yourself registered. Even if you do not get yourself registered on the CoWIN portal, you can go to the nearest center. They will give you registration on hand on that time themselves, and please do get vaccinated. Also, the people who are below 44, 18 to 44, the slot, the age gap, they should definitely get vaccinated, because this this is the real India. This is the real India which is going out, and this India has to stay safe. So believe in whatever is happening in the country. The support should be given. Get yourself vaccinated. Please wait for the time which is being given and then get your second dose, because it is important. You want to stay safe, you want to stay healthy, get yourself vaccinated. And there is no side effects of any vaccination.
Right, and there are instances when the second dose is being delayed, but I think we have to be positive. We have to wait for the best, and we should not get the shady ideas in our mind. And I think we have to really think towards a positive aspect of the life at the moment. So it was so great talking to you, Ritu, and we'll be meeting again with a great subject in next week. Till then, bye bye, and be positive and remain connected.
We have some unique Akulmek memorabilia which will make you look outstanding. The graphics on these corporate gifts are based on the global best business practices. To become recipient of one of these gifts for free, you have to watch this video till the end and provide your valuable comments. Or you can also share your experiences. The person who makes the best comment would be chosen to become a recipient of these beautiful Akulmek gift, absolutely free, delivered to your doorsteps. The winner would also get a chance to be invited live as a distinguished panelist during our next video. What are you waiting for, friends? Please subscribe Akulmek and smash that like button.